Yes, I'm here at the Kandao booth
So here is the
with Bill.
introduction of the Qoocam, and I'd like to introduce some main function of this camera.
Okay.
So you can see here is the bodies. We have model 360 usually. In fact,
Yeah.
it's used two lens
Sure.
of the. And then
What's the resolution?
Resolution is 4K.
4K?
It's full sensor readout.
Okay.
That means no binging
Yes.
for the video.
Okay.
And for the this is 3D
This is
mode.
with the obsidian,
depth,
right?
Yes. And when we put here,
Yeah.
it became a 3D of 180.
Okay, what's the
degree.
resolution for this one?
It's also 4K. For
2K,
two lenses,
2K
but 2K per lens.
Yes.
You can see this. We have
6
changed the
degrees of
background.
freedom. Yeah.
We can change background. We can make the defocusing.
You can do that with this camera?
Yeah, sure.
So
this is your camera.
this is it?
Yeah.
This is with this camera?
You can say, you can say. Refocusing. This is just the way take picture. You can see.
Yeah.
Maybe 5 minutes
Wow.
ago. This is very cool because
So it's like a depth sensor.
Yeah. This
Very
sensor
cool.
is from Sony.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, Sony. And in fact, it's very initial period now. So we have just introduced some sample, but we won't introduce all of the models here because still very initial, very beginning for. But for when we really official announce, I think Kandao will make many interesting performance, like the refocusing, like the change background, even some depth related performance.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because these cameras, the most important is we have 3D performance. Because usually the 360 camera they won't.
Okay, so what kind of computer do you need for that to stitch that?
They will work with Android first.
You can stitch this on iPhone? I mean Android?
No, they can work with the PC also, but we can support the live streaming from the UVC, the USB cable with the PC, and we can support it to work with the Android phone and also iPhone.
So
but the plan is Android first.
Okay, so the one on the desktop, what kind of computer do you need? Like very powerful?
Computer is not very.
Really?
No, yeah.
And then those, you can put two of them?
Yeah.
This is to make what, 3D 360?
Yeah. It's the same product.
Okay, but why do you do this?
We can give you a stand.
Oh, this is just
you can like this one. You can protect the lens.
Okay.
You can also make it as a stand.
Okay, but you don't use two at the same time.
No, usually we just make sure.
Oh, okay. Okay, I thought 3D 360. Yeah. So, okay. So depth effects, huh?
Yeah, you can see here we power on the camera first. Yes. And then put once again. So
the big question.
Okay.
How much and when will it be available?
Good question. I think the best time should be April or May for
very
us
soon.
now. But by April we should have the final news. Like we may have announced.
Okay.
And we may ship by May.
Okay, but how much is it?
Do you have any expectation on this one? How much do you think is available?
I don't know, $300 or less.
Yeah, good. I think because we have now totally accounting now how much is the best price for the customers.
Okay.
So maybe 250 to 350.
Okay. Really? Okay.
But we hope to give them the best price to let everybody can afford the price, because usually if you more than 300, sometimes they will think, expensive. But because now the two lens cameras they will sell like 200 or more than 200, like Insta one, right? So we hope we provide the 3 lens, 3 module, the whole metal bodies, and the depth, performance, 3D good, but we have the same price. Honestly, it's still hard now, but we will try our best to give your guys the best price.
Okay.
Maybe about 300 or
Okay.
just like this.
Oh, I hope so.
Yeah, you
Thank you
can.
very much.
So I have give you my card, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
you
yes.
can contact with